Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Atta banana bread recipe. This healthy Atta banana bread is made using a healthier variety of wheat flour known as khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the banana bread, I'm using two very ripe bananas. The riper the banana, the more sweeter it will be, and that way you can reduce the quantity of sweetener in the recipe. I'm peeling the bananas and roughly slicing and adding it into my blender jar. Add in 1/3 cup khandsari sugar. Khand is a desi variety of unrefined sugar. A splash of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup wood pressed coconut oil. Wood pressed coconut oil has a very neutral flavor and taste, hence it's ideal to use in baking. A fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt. 2 whole eggs. And I'm going to blend all this really well. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 3/4 cup khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat or khapli atta is a traditional variety of wheat which has a very weak gluten molecule. Khapli wheat is also known as emmer wheat, and it's an indigenous variety of wheat grain. However, if you don't have khapli wheat at hand, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead. I prefer to use khapli wheat in my recipes as gluten molecule is very weak, and khapli wheat also has more fiber. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, also known as soda powder, and I'm mixing the baking soda into the khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat has a slight dark brown hue when you make rotis with it. I have already shared how to make roti with khapli wheat along with its health benefits, and I've already shared many videos using khapli wheat. Please do check it out to know more about khapli wheat. Add in 1/4 cup dark chocolate chips and give it a good mix so that the chocolate chips are coated with the khapli wheat flour. At this moment, I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Pour in the blended banana mix into the dry ingredients. With a spatula, gently fold or mix the dry ingredients into the banana mix. Everything is nicely mixed. I'm using a loaf tin to make the banana bread, and I'm lining it with parchment paper. Also note that I have left some parchment paper on the sides. This will help to release the banana bread once it is baked. Pour the banana bread batter into the loaf pan. Sprinkle a handful of chocolate chips on top. And I'm going to bake in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 55 minutes. Remember that oven temperature varies with oven, so keep an eye on it after about 40 minutes. Okay, now the banana bread is nicely baked. As you can see, it's really easy to remove the banana bread from the loaf pan. Place the banana bread onto a wire rack, and I'm allowing it to cool down completely. Okay, now the bread has cooled down. You can see it's really soft. So guys, do try this healthy banana bread recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.